Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. The age of social change. In the previous chapter, you read about the powerful ideas of freedom and equality that circulate in Europe after the French Revolution. The French Revolution opened up the possibility of creating of dramatic change in the way in which society was structured. As you have read about the third estates of people, and then how they are all getting republic from abolishing the monarchy. In Russian Revolution, the liberals, radicals and conservatives. The liberals wanted to change the society and tolerated all religions. They are opposite to the uncontrolled power of dynastic rules. The liberals wanted to give equality and freedom of parliamentary government to equal law to all the people. The liberals and democrats. The universal adult franchise, the age of 18, is ready for voting without discriminated means gender, religion or caste or rich or poor. So these types of people called liberals and radicals. The majority as the population as only to getting the rule of the country. So they're thinking, who is majority in the country? In India, Hindus are majority, so they only getting government. No, but the democracy gives all the opportunities. In French Revolution, to gives the conservatives a new form. So they have slow process. The industrialists, they are backward classes. They're thinking in very backward. So they are not acceptable these types of inventions because they are thinking these types of inventions as create a pollution and some other dangers. So that's why the conservatives cannot be like these types of inventions. And the revolution of industrial, it creates the huge demand in Europe. In the world, all other countries, they need the huge level of machinery items. So that's why France, Germany, Italy, Russia has been developing so rapidly. The coming of socialism to the Europe. Perhaps one of the most far-reaching visions of how society should be structured was socialism. By mid-19th century in Europe, socialism as well-known body of ideas that attracted widespread attention. Socialists were against private property and saw it as the roots of all social ills of the time. The individuals owned the property that gave employment but were concerned only the personal gain or not with the welfare of those who made the property and productivity. This is called private property. The socialists had different vision like Robert Owen in 1771 to 1856, Louis Blanc 1813 to 1882. The government encouraged cooperatives like Robert Owen, and then who wanted to encourage the cooperatives and replace capitalist enterprises. And Karl Marx in 1818 and 1883 and Friedrich Engels 1822-1895 added other ideas of the body arguments. Marx argued the industrialist society was capitalist. Capitalists owned the capital invested in factory and the profit of capitalist was produced by the workers. The conditions of workers could not improve as long as the profit was accumulated by private capitalists. The support of the socialism. In 1870, socialist ideas spread through the Europe. to coordinate their efforts. Socialists formed the international body, namely the Second International. The Russian Revolution. In one of the least industrialized of European states, the situation was reversed. Social took over the government in Russia through the October Revolution of 1917 and the fall of monarchy in February in 1917. The Russian Emperor in 1914, Tsar Nicholas II ruled Russia and its empire. Besides the territory and Moscow, the Russian Emperor, including current day Finland, Latvia, Lithuania, Estonia, parts of Poland, Ukraine, and Central Asian countries, Georgia, Armenia, Uzbekistan. So they followed the Russian Orthodox Christianity, which had grown out the Greek Orthodox Church. The economic and society. At the beginning of the 20th century, a vast majority, in 85% of people, they following the agriculture. This is proportion of height than the most European countries. In instance, the French and Germany, the proportion between 40% and then 50%. But these types of rapid growth, coal and iron and steel as raw material creates so huge level of demand. So workers divided, metal workers. So metal workers consider themselves aristocracy among the workers. The occupiers demand of more training skills. Made up 31% of women's factory laborers in 1914. In workers, but they were paid less than money between in half the quarters of the men wages. They are starting strike, stop working. In rural area, the people cannot agriculture regularly because the huge level of areas as owned by the royal people, like the king's blood relationship. Nobles got their power and positioned their services to the Tsar Nicholas. A socialism in Russia. All political parties were illegal in Russia before 1914. The Russian Social Democratic Workers' Party it was founded in 1898 by socialists who represented Marx's ideas. So, however, they are starting a set of newspaper, mobilized workers and organized strikes. Some Russian socialists felt the Russian peasants' custom of driving land periodically made of the natural ideas. The commune. What is commune? The commune means communalism. Okay. So what is communalism? In the world, it has so many of natural resources, but it has only some members, they owned their lands. In communalism, the land and other natural calamities, the natural elements are divided by equally to all the people. It's called the Socialist Revolutionary Parties. The main aim, the Social Democratic Workers' Party, is another name as the head of the Lenin. Lenin, the leader of Socialist Democratic Workers' Party. The Social Democratic Workers' Party, it has included Bolshevik Party and next one, the Menshevik Party. Already the Russian people have some angry to the Russian old government. A turbulent time, the 1905 revolution. The Russia has been under controlled by the autocratic government. The autocracy means a group of people, they are dominating the Russia. So at the time in 1905, Russia and then Japan has a problem of Manchuria, the nearest Korea. In this war, the big Russia has failed in the war to the Japan. So the people not believe the Russian government and they protest against the Russian government. In 1905, also the American dollar has been growth in the markets, and then the Russian government, they are not giving the very good opportunity and then equality to the workers. In 22 January 1905, Father Gopan, he made some decisions to the people. So that's why the Gopan was killed by the Russian capitalist people. The Bloody Sunday. What is Bloody Sunday? The Russians workers, they need some privileges from the unions and the companies. So that's why these peoples are demanding to give to us equal opportunity. So that's why the Russian government creating Duma from the 75 days, and the Duma not giving opportunity to the workers, and also they're voting against the government. And next one, the important one, the First World War and the Russian Empire. In First World War, it has two different groups: Germany, Turkey, Austria in one group, Britain, France and Russia in another group. The Russian people, they did not like to enter in the World War because they are depressing already, their life in danger. But the Russian king wanted to participate in the First World War. It is also create some angry to the people for the Russian government. The Tsarina Alexandria, the Rasputin, they are both encouraging the people, and then they are like to capture the government in the eastern front and then western front side. So in these two types of war, it made some huge damage in the natural and then the human level is also. In Russia, in everywhere, they hear some sounds like bomb and guns. In 1917, more than 7 million of people died in the First World War, and then they are destroyed their natural resources. So that's why in the normal people, the poorest people, they are faced the huge famine. And the growing of industrial revolution, it is also not giving the equal opportunity. They lost the politics sea in First World War. After the wars, the government has taken decisions by the head of Lenin. He take the transfer of the land peasants, and then the nationalist banks, they taking powers. And next one, the Bolshevik party has renamed as a communist party. It creates the factory communities and trade unions and soldiers community in army, and also it creates some provincial government in the state level. It gives the equal opportunity to the states. So it's called the provincial government. So after, in 1970 October, in Russia they faced in Bolshevik and provincial government had to made some problems. So the Lenin has faced these problems is so easily. So they giving uprising the army, Soviets and factories. In 16th October, the Bolshevik party has created the Military Revolutionary Committee. Leon Trotsky, 24 October, the Bolshevik party, the leader of Mr. Lenin, to create the Communist Party and then the community for the workers. Finally, after the two world wars, Russia got a very good communist party to create, to giving the equal opportunity for the all Russian Congress of the Soviet. Okay students, What changed after October Revolution? The October Revolution to oppose the private property. They allowing the private property, and then they abolishing the old titles of the aristocracy banned, and new uniforms were introduced. The Soviet had in the Czechoslovakia. The Bolshevik Party, I already told you, the renamed of the Communist Party. In November 1917, they started election and failed to gain majority to the supporters in the Constituent Assembly. In Constituent Assembly, the Lenin Party has been banned the All Russian Congress of the Soviet. In March 1918, they also preferred to join together the Socialist and then Bolshevik Party. They creating the All Russian Congress of the Soviets. The one party state, the trade unions were kept under the people, and then secret police punished throughout in the country. Okay, students, so we will see on the next class. If you are having any doubt, please comment in below. Thank you.